Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Alright, now let's look at these questions. Heb for enal is present in cow's milk. Which row correctly shows the product form when this heb for enal is treated with a given reducing agent? Alright, now you need to know there are two types of reducing agent here. Hydrogen pairing with nickel is a stronger reducing agent. Whereas sodium borohydride is a weaker reducing agent. Alright, so if it is a stronger reducing agent, it can reduce a few functional groups. For example, the alkene and also carbonyl compound. Alright, so if sodium borohydride is a weak reducing agent, it can only selectively reduce carbonyl compound. So I'll put a tick here, a cross here, and a tick here. Since it is a weaker reducing agent, it cannot reduce alkene, but it can only reduce carbonyl compound. But hydrogen and nickel is a stronger reducing agent, so it will be unselectively and reduce both functional group. Alright, now if we look at this structure, there is two functional group here. One is alkene, the other one is the aldehyde. Alright, so if I draw the structure, CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH, CH2, CH2, C, double bond O and H. Alright, now with the help of hydrogen and nickel, since this is a strong reducing agent, it will reduce both functional groups. That means to say that you will get this CH3, CH2, where the alkene will becomes alkane at this side. Right? Where you can see the double bond is being opened up. So these two are the new hydrogens that are added in. And then continue on with this. Right now, this is an aldehyde. So the aldehyde can be reduced by this strong reducing agent to become the primary alcohol. So what you need to add is just a H over here and another H over here at this carbon. So you will get C, OH, H, and H. Alright? If you are using sodium borohydride, this is a weak reducing agent and it is only selectively reduce the carbonyl compound and it will keep this thing remain unreduced. So therefore you will get a double bond over here and only this side reduced to primary alcohol. Alright, so if you compare the answer with this hydrogen and nickel, you should see that both of these are reduced. Okay, so B is definitely wrong because B, there's no alcohol, and for C, if you're using sodium borohydride, and D, it should be a double bond, and since there's no double bond here, both C and D is wrong as well. And A is the most accurate answer since it is exactly the same as what we have drawn over here. So A is the answer.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions, and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help. Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.